Today, I worked on a vehicle with the check engine light on. The customer reported this issue, so the first step was to connect a scan tool to check for fault codes. The scan tool revealed a P0171 code, System Too Lean, Bank 1, which indicates that the air-fuel mixture has too much air and not enough fuel. To dig deeper, I monitored live data at idle and noticed that the signal from the mass airflow, MF sensor, was erratic. For those unfamiliar, the MF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. If it's not functioning correctly, it can throw off the air-fuel mixture. Next, I inspected the air intake system for any obvious issues, like vacuum leaks or damaged hoses, but everything seemed fine. Then I visually checked the MF sensor itself, but at first glance there were no apparent problems. To confirm the issue, I back-probed the MF sensor at idle and connected it to a lab scope. The signal remained erratic, which verified the sensor wasn't functioning properly. I also checked the voltage and ground at the sensor with the key on and engine off using a multimeter, and both were present, ruling out wiring issues. Finally, I removed the MF sensor for a closer inspection and found debris on the sensing element. Even a small amount of dirt can cause the sensor to give inaccurate readings. The fix was straightforward. I carefully cleaned the MF sensor with a specialized cleaner, reinstalled it, cleared the fault codes, and performed a road test. The vehicle ran perfectly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new codes appeared. This shows how a simple issue like a dirty MF sensor can cause significant problems, but with the right approach to diagnostics, it's an easy fix.